Flax seeds come from the flax crop and are one of the oldest fiber crops grown in the world, dating back to ancient Chinese times. Long before flax seeds were known for their amazing health benefits, it was used to create textiles. Now they have become a staple in the world of healthy eating due to their high omega-3 fatty acids and fiber content. From improving your digestion and decreasing your risk of disease to improving your cognitive function, many ways adding flax seeds to your recipes can help support your overall health. We break down a few benefits of eating flax seeds, plus provide some helpful tips to enable incorporating more flax seeds into your regular diet. 1. Protection against cancer. Flaxseed is rich in lignans, which are plant compounds that have been studied for their potent cancer-fighting properties. Interestingly, this seed boasts 75 to 800 times more lignans than other plant foods. Several studies have been done to determine how phytoestrogens, which are plant-based estrogen-like compounds in flax seeds, could play a role in helping cancer. Some studies associate flaxseed intake with a lower risk of breast cancer, particularly for postmenopausal women. Animal and test tube studies also show flaxseed protects against colorectal, skin, blood, and lung cancer. More research needs to be done to validate these same conclusions with humans. 2. Improves heart health. Flaxseed benefits the heart on many levels, namely due to its high levels of alpha-linolenic acid or ALA, which is the essential omega-3 fatty acid that is also found in fish. Once ingested, the alpha-linolenic acid is converted into eicosapentaenoic acid, or EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, or DHA, which are known for their ability to fight heart disease. Another beneficial element of flaxseed is its high levels of lignans, an antioxidant, and phytoestrogen. Lignans, which are also known for preventing heart disease, are more prevalent in flaxseed than any other known plant foods. Studies also show that flaxseed consumption can help with lowering your blood cholesterol levels. A high level of LDL or bad cholesterol in your system can cause a buildup in your arteries, which can in turn increase your risk of heart disease. Another heart-related flaxseed benefit is that they can also effectively lower your blood pressure, which is important for preventing heart attack and stroke. 3. Can assist with digestion. Several studies have found that flax seeds prevent both diarrhea and constipation. The insoluble fiber content in flax seeds adds bulk to your digestive waste, acting as a laxative and relieving constipation. Flax seeds are known to be a natural laxative, which can help with the digestion process and constipation. A 12-week study published in Nutrition and Metabolism found flaxseed, when added to baked goods, was able to decrease constipation symptoms, as well as glycemic and lipid levels, for those with type 2 diabetes. Soluble fiber is also thought to bind to water in your digestive tract. This causes it to swell and increase the bulk of your stool, preventing diarrhea. Plus, flaxseed consumption has also been shown to positively alter the gut microbiome during digestion by increasing the bacterial flora in your gut. It also reduces the presence of proteobacteria and porphyromonaceae, which have been linked to alcoholic liver disease, according to experts. 4. Helps in weight loss. Flax seeds play an essential role in your diet if you want to lose or manage your weight. That is primarily because of its high fiber content. Fiber helps you feel full, which results in a lower intake of calories daily. In other words, flax seeds help to suppress your appetite by making you feel full. Are you worried about your body weight? Because a flaxseed meal is full of fiber, adding it to your food helps to fill you up. Fiber slows digestion and gives the digestive system an awesome healthy workout, slowing down digestion and reduces the craving. Flax seeds can be a great addition to your diet if you feel the urge to snack in between meals or lower your food consumption. In addition, flax seeds can also cut down on your appetite. 5. Reduce cancer risk. Although no one food or supplement can prevent cancer, some research indicates flax seeds may reduce the risk or spread of certain cancers. In addition to the important omega-3 fatty acids, flaxseed has been shown to prevent the development of cancerous tumors. This could be because flax is rich in lignans, which is a group of bioactive compounds that are chock full of antioxidant properties that may protect the body from cancer by slowing the growth of existing tumors. One human clinical study showed that eating a muffin containing 25 grams of flaxseed for 40 days demonstrated the potential to reduce tumor growth in postmenopausal women who were newly diagnosed with breast cancer. 6. Help reduce skin inflammation. Not only is flaxseed packed with internal nutritional benefits when eaten regularly, but it also contains massive beauty benefits when applied directly to the skin. The high content of dietary fiber and lignans in these tiny seeds ensures the digestive tract is clear and clean, which is essential in preventing ugly breakouts by sweeping away acne-causing toxins. Flaxseed is also rich in omega-3 fatty acid, which has great anti-inflammatory properties. Since acne is primarily caused by inflammation, maintaining an omega-3 rich diet helps prevent or reduce the severity of acne. Because flax seeds are high in anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids, they can help curb inflammation in the skin. Flax fiber has also been shown to have a healing effect on the skin. One small study found that women who used flaxseed oil daily led to improved skin elasticity, increased hydration, and a brighter complexion. 7. Improve blood sugar. Flax seeds have long been revered for their numerous health benefits, and the potential for them to help lower blood sugar is no exception. Numerous studies have demonstrated that eating flax seeds can have a significant positive impact on blood sugar levels. Not only can they help reduce blood sugar, but they can also help improve overall health and well-being. In a study, researchers gave 41 people with obesity and prediabetes either 13 grams, 26 grams, or 0 grams of flaxseed daily for 12 weeks. It found that those who consumed 13 grams of flax seeds per day, about 2 tablespoons, saw the greatest reductions in blood sugar levels and the most significant improvement in insulin sensitivity. Flax seeds are high in omega-3 fats, fiber, and antioxidants. It is possible to lower blood cholesterol levels by consuming flax seeds daily. As a result of their glucose-lowering properties, flax seeds are beneficial for blood glucose control, insulin sensitivity, and a variety of other health benefits. These foods also lower the risk of heart disease. 8. A good source of protein. Protein is an important building block for bones, muscles, cartilage, and skin. You must know that your hair and nails are mostly protein. Flax seeds contain plenty of plant-based, high-quality proteins rich in glutamic acid, aspartic acid, and amino acids. It's a good source of protein for those who are vegetarian or vegan. Various studies show that protein from flax seeds can improve and strengthen the immune system, prevent tumor development, and lower cholesterol levels. In addition, flax seeds also have antifungal properties. 9. Improve cholesterol level. Flax seeds are a rich source of alpha-linolenic acid. This is the plant-derived type of omega-3 fats, which has been shown to lower LDL cholesterol, as well as triglycerides levels. No one likes to hear that they have high cholesterol. A study where participants consumed 3 tablespoons of flaxseed powder daily showed LDL cholesterol levels were reduced. A 2010 study, published in Nutrition Research, found that daily administration of 100 milligrams of flaxseed lignin can be effective at reducing blood cholesterol levels in men with a moderately high cholesterol level. Another small study, involving 40 patients with high cholesterol levels, was instructed to take 20 grams of ground flaxseed per day. When the results were compared to the group taking statin drugs, those receiving flaxseed did just as well as those given statin drugs. Flax seeds also contain both insoluble and soluble fiber. Soluble fiber is thought to aid in lowering cholesterol by preventing the absorption of cholesterol within the body. 10. Balance hormones. Flax seeds are rich in lignans, which help bind excess estrogen in the intestinal tract. This ensures that the excess estrogen is excreted in the feces. Flax is known to help balance hormones. Its insoluble fibers help bind to estrogen, shutting them out of the body. This helps reduce or prevent those estrogen-dominant symptoms. Experts promote a naturopathic concept, known as seed cycling, as a way to regulate and normalize the menstrual cycle. This includes eating flax seeds and pumpkin seeds during the first, follicular phase or from day 1 to 14 of the menstrual cycle. These seeds promote enhanced uterine blood flow and maintain healthy cell membranes. It is all thanks to the number of phytoestrogens and lignans flax seeds contain that make them the perfect component for hormone regulation. Flaxseed is loaded with nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and beneficial plant compounds like lignans, all of which boast many potential health benefits. This tiny seed may improve digestive health, protect against certain types of cancer, stabilize blood sugar levels, and lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. However, it is essential to keep in mind that flax seeds are not miracle workers. You should follow a healthy diet and exercise regularly if you wish to lose weight effectively. Another thing to remember is that moderation is vital. So, stick to the recommended quantity of flax seeds. Thanks for watching. If there are other health benefits of flax seeds we failed to indicate, please let us know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this one.